Hey everyone, do you know many predict that mushrooms are the next high value agriculture crop which can transform incomes of small and marginal farmers? The mushroom sector is unregulated. The way mushroom comes in neither plant or animal kingdom. Similarly, the problems faced by mushroom farmers aren't also conventional, ranging from fraud by spore sellers, lack of even basic info on mushroom farming, and high instability in its prices. Two, it not even being able to leverage its great advantage of using stubble on various parts and reducing pollution. Don't worry, we have got it all covered on our MERN and ML based responsive platform, providing an easy UI UX and information oozing all around.
There are various problems faced. First of all, mushroom farming is an unexplored sector and there are no laws to regulate its cultivation and its market. Due to all of this and lack of knowledge, farmers are getting deceived by companies. They make false claims about the process and technology used and then supply inferior quality spores and spawns, which leads to losses. Next problem we encounter is pollution due to stubble burning, which also have drastic effect on health of human beings and soil. Various state governments are concerned about the same and are working to find alternatives. Despite ban on burning, farmers continue to burn due to it being a traditional practice and they are unaware about other means. Moving on, since mushroom sector is unregulated, there are large fluctuation in prices. Instability in consumption also leads to very high and very low prices. Furthermore, they also get exploited by distributors who deceive them by telling the market is crashing and ultimately forcing them to sell at losses. This makes farmer reluctant to explore and cultivate mushroom amongst the fear of losses.
Starting with problem of spores, we have provided a platform to horticulture labs and farmers to get connected. Quality of spores is withheld by the factors that we are asking labs to give pictures and their GST number, which can be later improved by hiring a microbiologist. Moving on to the problem of stubble burning. Paddy stubble can be used conveniently for mushroom cultivation and for making their sheds. It helps to reduce the cost of cultivation and is a great alternative to burning. Hence the tagline Earn, Don't Burn. Through our platform, stubble sellers and farmers can form a network and use it even for organic farming, where animal waste, cow dung, and wheat straw is required. We have also created a machine learning model which is used to predict prices of mushrooms per quintal in upcoming times. The prices of a crop generally depends upon the area and then the time of the year when it is grown. So we have taken the parameters as the market and the time of the year, and thus it is used to predict the prices. We have used TensorFlow and Keras in the model.
Okay, talking about the future scope and the extra efforts we made to make this project, starting with our logo, we designed our own logo. We also made this app a progressive web application so that it can be installed on any kind of device and can be used offline as well. We even used a government API for getting the location of the stubble and the spore sellers. Our future scope includes making this application more scalable in the future. We would also like to get this page translated into a variety of languages so that everyone can use this app irrespective of regional foundations. I sincerely hope that this brown revolution of ours improves the current plight of the farmers and help them to earn more. Thank you.